everyone. I sure hope your Thanksgiving is going well. And I sure hope your day is going well if you see this after the Thanksgiving. I am going to upload this directly on Thanksgiving, so it's going to be kind of dicey. But with Thanksgiving, it's a very special holiday. I'm not going to get into the origins of Thanksgiving, but I will tell you, when it comes to Thanksgiving, there are two things that we like to do on Thanksgiving. The first, watch football. Football is a Thanksgiving tradition, and I'm pretty sure my family is going to be watching football on Thanksgiving. The second is eat food, and a lot of it. Of course, when you think of Thanksgiving food, you must have to think of the bird, the great big turkey. And then you eat a whole bunch of that turkey, and you basically slip into a food coma, and you miss all the touchdowns after the food is over, because that's usually when football is. It's usually games all day, but needless to say, before you eat, you're all energetic on the touchdowns, and after you eat, you miss the touchdowns because you are fast asleep. Anyway, other than the turkey, there are the Thanksgiving sides. In my family, it's a team effort. I'm pretty sure it is in everyone's family. Tell me how your Thanksgiving works in your family. I really want to know. Let me know down below. And today, I'm going to be talking about the five sides that are most popular on Thanksgiving Day. You may not like the sides, you may love the sides, I don't know. If you do, let me know down below what your favorite sides are, and let me know what sides you had at Thanksgiving at your house. I really want this to be an interactive video, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell icon, and like and share and do all that good stuff. And here we go with number 5. Number 5, green bean casserole. Green bean casserole is good stuff, and it happens to be number 5 because it is very popular. Of course, it's essentially, your cream to make it a soup, your mushrooms, your green beans, and your French fried onions, which I can eat those like potato chips. It's kind of a weird thing. I don't know why I love onions so much, but I can eat them raw and in this fashion as well. And you can put any customizable topping on there to make your green bean casserole. It's a hit at the Thanksgiving table. It's number 5. Super good. I love it so much. Number 4, mashed potatoes. And I'm not talking those instant potatoes. I'm talking about real, legitimate, real mashed potatoes. The ones you can't wait for on Thanksgiving. If you're looking for a quick recipe for mashed potatoes, just add your flavor in, along with a few cups of milk and soft potatoes. Whisk them up in your whisking machine, or whatever the heck those things are called, and you got potatoes. You can use water, but preferably you use milk because it makes them nice and creamy, and just add a lot of butter. With my potatoes, I like a lot of butter and a lot of salt. The butter and salt may not be good for you, but they add the flavor, and the flavor is what counts. Number 3, stuffing. Whether you like your stuffing stovetop, oven baked, in the bird, or pureed, the stuffing definitely tops any meal. Stuffing is super good, and if you put it inside the bird before you cook it, that's just a creative way to make your stuffing. Personally, if I want something quick and easy, I go to stovetop, but it's Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving special, so make it the most fanciest and exotic way you can. Number 2, cranberry sauce. Now, I recommend making your own when it comes to cranberry sauce, because I have a rule. if the food takes the shape of the can, it is probably not ideal to put it into your body. I don't think they stuff the can, but the way they make it and the way it takes the shape of the can is just, there's just something off about it. Finally, number 1, mac and cheese. No, mac and cheese. The homemade, 100% organic, lovely mac and cheese. Now, I love me a good mac and cheese. My mom makes it really good, and it's just one of those things that I don't like the second day around. It's not as good. But if there is mac and cheese on my Thanksgiving dinner table, I am more than likely to overindulge and feel fat the next few weeks. But that's the ultimate number 1 side dish, is the creamy goodness known as macaroni and cheese. Well, that was the 5 most popular Thanksgiving sides. My name is Mr. Fungi. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and hit that bell icon. If you like what you saw, notify me down below. And if you have anything you want to say or comment on what your favorite side was, let me know down below. Same with anything. If you have a question, comment, or concern, I want to know in the comments. My name is Mr. Fungi, signing off. So long, YouTube.